I've got them over here too. Alright, so we'll probably repurpose those. Move them to the back maybe. Alright, we'll put the flags, maybe put the flags here. Okay, and come back here to the back. And on the windows here, I've already printed a couple stars. So these stars will put them up, you know, like that, red, white, and blue, however we decide. And I printed this thing here, which is pretty cool. That took about 45 minutes to print on my A1 Mini. Yeah, I printed that on the A1 Mini. So that's pretty cool, right? Nice little patriotic stuff for this coming up Thursday.